What's up, Baltimore? We all know how brutal our winters can get. One day you're driving down Edmondson Avenue, the next day a sudden freeze turns the city into an ice rink. But did you know that the way you treat your car in the winter might actually be destroying your windshield? Today we are breaking down the top 5 winter windshield mistakes every Baltimore driver makes, and how to avoid a massive crack. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, the boiling water blunder. We've all been there. You're late for work, your glass is covered in ice, so you pour hot water on it. Stop. The extreme temperature shift causes thermal shock, and your windshield can literally crack right in front of your eyes. Stick to the defroster, people. Mistake number 2, using the wrong tools. Using CDs, credit cards, or plastic shovels to scrape ice. You're leaving micro scratches all over your glass that ruin your visibility when the winter sun hits it. Invest in a real ice scraper. Mistake number 3, worn-out wiper blades. If your wipers are leaving streaks or making a horrible squeaking noise while you're navigating traffic near Leakin Park, they're done. Old blades can split, causing the bare metal arm to scrape directly against your glass. Mistake number 4, blasting the heater instantly. Turning your heater to max blast. The second you start your car puts intense stress on the cold glass. Start it on low to medium and let the cabin warm up gradually. Mistake number 5, ignoring the tiny chips. This is the biggest one. That tiny little rock chip you got on the Baltimore Beltway? When freezing temperatures hit, water gets into that chip, expands as ice, and bam, your small chip turns into a foot-long crack overnight. Look, winter is tough enough on our cars. If you already have a chip, or if one of these mistakes just caught up to you, don't panic. You don't have to drive around with a ruined view. Right here in the heart of West Baltimore, near the intersection of Wicklow Road and Beachfield Avenue, right down the road from St. Agnes Hospital, the pros at Next Shield Auto Glass Repair have got your back. Don't wait for that tiny chip to become a major hazard. Bring your car to the experts. Come see the team at Next Shield Auto Glass Repair. We are located right at 806 Wicklow RD, Baltimore, MD 21229. Give them a call today at 443-296-0064 to book your appointment, or head over to nextshieldAutoglassrepair.com to get your quote online. Drive safe this winter, Baltimore. Keep your eyes on the road, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.